Hey everyone, it is Gabe from Frame, and I wanted to go over a Frame update that just went out last night. So let's dive in. The first thing you might notice is that there are new emojis. So down in the emoji button, you'll see just a lot more emojis. So feel free to use those. They also work in the VR menu, so you can access them from VR. Okay, next up, we launched the web browser asset recently, which is actually a fully featured web browser that you can just use in Frame, but we only let you bring in one. Now you can bring in 3 separate web browsers. Over here on this browser, I've got our new Frame library with all of these new shaders and particles that you can bring right into your frames, which is great. But yeah, browse the web on 3 different browsers in your frame, which is great. Okay, you might have noticed that this small gallery environment here has a different looking floor. Besides the refurbish here, it actually got a lot more optimized as well, so it loads a lot faster. It actually went from a few megabytes down to a couple hundred kilobytes, which is amazing. Now, some quality of life improvements for edit mode. First off, you can right click on an asset now to select it in edit mode. You don't need to turn on edit mode and then click on it. Just right click on it. Once you get used to this, this saves a lot of time. You can also press the delete key now to delete an asset if you want to, which is fantastic. Okay, if you go to the Frame Home dashboard, framevr.io/home, capital H. This is a page we've been working on to kind of help you manage your frames, but you'll see your connections now can show up here. So if you want to see which of your connections are online, you can actually access that right here. This also loads up in our progressive web application, so if you've installed the Frame app to your phone, this is a great way to just quickly see if your connections are in the metaverse, and you can quickly jump right to them if you'd like. Okay, I think that is pretty much everything. The click to move behavior, we heard that some of you were accidentally clicking to move in places, so now it is double click to move if you want to do that. So just a little tip there. Okay, sounds great. I hope you enjoy, and let me know what you'd like to see next.